All right, so I got another lick in the key of B for you, and we can do this in 2 octaves. Actually 3 octaves. And it's kind of like a repeating idea. So I'm starting right here on the root, because we're in the key of B, and basically I go up the blues scale, but keep going back after every note back to the root. If I made no sense there, you can watch it by example. So my ring finger's on the 12th fret of the B string, which is a B note, and I hit it, and then I go to the 10 of the high E, and then I go back to the B, then I go to the 12 of the high E, then I go to the B, then I go up the blues note, which would be 13 of the high E, then the root. So you can see I keep going back to that 12th fret B string. And then I go back down till I get to the 10th fret of the high E. So 10, 12, 13, 12, 10, and I get back to the root. Then I'm just going to go down the extended scale. So that would be 12, 10, ring finger on the 11 of the G, down to the 9 of the G with the same finger. Index on the 7, ring finger on the 9 of the D, which is the root. And then you can do the same thing starting on this root. So we got the root right here with the idea. The extended scale as a way to get to the next octave. Same lick from here. Down the extension to that root, which would be the 7 of the E, and then we'll just go 5, 7. Super slow. So some food for thought for you, or for some sound for thought. I don't know. I'm running out of terms to use. But in the next video, we're going to do a jam track in B so you can work on some of these ideas. So hang tight and you can try this stuff out. I would highly recommend you, though, when I play the jam track in B, to try the licks you learned in G up in B, vice versa. We always want to be able to do this stuff in any key. So hang tight, though, and we're going to jam in B. See you there.